Hi there, I'm Chris Gaetano with the New York State Society of CPAs, trusted professional. Ever since the Republicans passed their new tax law in December, CPAs everywhere have been wondering what it'll mean for their clients. While digesting the impact of this new bill might seem intimidating, it's really not that complicated. All you really have to worry about is the $10,000 self-deduction cap. And I guess the changes to the mortgage interest deduction. The pass-through entities provision, a lot of people are talking about that. The switch to a territorial tax system, and the loss of miscellaneous deductions. Really a whole bunch of deductions too, like entertainment expenses, those are out. Alright, I think that's about it. That's all you really have to worry about. Oh, wait, no. There's Roth conversions. There's no more recharacterization of Roth conversions. And also changes to the charitable contribution limit. Alright, the beat tax, the guilty tax, the kiddie tax, the new standard deduction, the new due diligence requirements, casualty and theft losses, 529 plans, K-1 income changes, Medicare surtax changes. There's something in there about craft brewing, too. Maybe it is that complicated. Oh, hey, it's Sid Kess. You've taught like a million practitioners before.
I have, but there's never been a greater need to teach practitioners about this complicated new Tax Cut and Jobs Act that we just have had enacted on December 22nd. I think it's important to realize it's a major change in the tax law, and there hasn't been anything like it since the last 3 decades, the '86 Act. That's why I felt, and the State Society felt, as well as the CPA Journal, the need for practitioners to have a top conference put together of experts explaining how to implement these difficult provisions. They changed the whole code, and we've got to be aware of the fact that all these changes are complicated and require careful study. That's why it's so important to learn how to work with this act, how to implement it, and its impact on you.